just wanted to come through and show you, you know, working with, you know, back pretty simple. And then the hoodie that I'm wearing, this is my boyfriend's, or sweatshirt. And it's, I think it's a Champion. It's Champion. Why did I say JanSport? And then I got some hoops from when I was in Baltimore. I just did a makeup tutorial on this look, so you'll be seeing that soon. There's buttons on the side. I don't think you can really take them in, but it fits really to my waist, which is what I really like. The other jean short overalls that camper. You look like a cute little scout. So I'm not really disgracing any of the scout communities because I was a scout. So not really care. But yeah, this is my look. I'm trying to like get everything together. So this is me. This is my outfit. Really cute. And I think these were like $7. My boyfriend gave this to me, so it was kind of free. Then the Henny hat, I got it as a present, but it was $25. So, and the lashes I got from Velour Lashes. They're the fluff and wispy ones. I won them in a giveaway. Then my Henny hat. I'm so tired, but so this is my look today. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna try and get this makeup tutorial up and out. So yeah, thanks guys. Bye bye.